Partnership. Partnership is of two types. One is simple and the other one is compound. Simple partnership is that when the capital of the partner are invested for same period. So the capital of partners are invested for the same period. It means if there are two partners, it can be more than two as well. But let's take the example of partner A and B. If both of them invested, suppose A has invested some 70,000 rupees and B has invested 30,000 rupees. If they have invested these amounts for the same period of time, like for 2 years, then this kind of partnership is simple partnership. And if the capital invested is for different period of time by the partners, then the partnership is compound. So here, some the partner A has invested 70,000 for 1 year, and partner B has invested 30,000 for more than 1 year, 2 year, or for uh, any other period other than 1 year. So if it is 2 years, then this kind of partnership would be termed as compound partnership. Let's do the example to know them one by one. Take an example for the simple partnership. We have example that there are three partners A, B, and C. They have invested 1600, 1800, and 2300 rupees respectively for the same period, like for 1 year. And collectively they have earned a profit of 1938 rupees, 1938 rupees. So this is their profit. Now they have to distribute the profit among these three partners. So what would be the share of each of the partners? So we need to find the share of the profit earned by each of the partners. Alright, so let's do this. So A has invested 1600, B has invested 1800, and C has invested 2300. Since the investment is done for the same period of time, we can simply find out the ratio of the investment of the capital by ABC, which is 16 is to 18 is to 23. Now, to make it simple for you, you should not use this way in your examinations because this will kill a lot of time. But here I just want to make you aware of how it happens. So actually, we take 16x, the part invested by A, 18x, the part invested by B, and 23x, the part invested by C. Here, even this is not important because the figure is already given. So you can simply add these three figures, 1600, 1800 and 2300, and we get this 5700, the total amount. Now in this 5700, out of this 5700, 1600 is invested by this guy A. Now this is the ratio of his investment in the business. Now if we get the share of his profit, then we have to multiply his ratio of investment with the total accumulated profit, which is 1938. We'll cancel these two zeros, and now we'll cancel this 57. So 57 threes are 171 and 57 fours are 228. So we get 16 into 34, which is 544 rupees, the share of A. Likewise, we'll find the share of B and C. And here our answer is 612. And for C, no, for C it is 2300 upon 50, 700 into 1938, which is 782 rupees. So this is for the understanding, and the simple way is when we got the ratio, which is 16 is to 18 is to 23, we simply add 16 plus 18 plus 23, which is 57. The share of A in the profit would be 16 upon 57 of the total profit, and that of this is A's share in profit. B's share in profit would be 18 upon 57 into the profit, and likewise C's share would be 23 upon 57 into profit. So we simply add the ratios, we divide this by the we divide the ratio of A with the addition of the ratios, which is 57, and likewise, and then we multiply it with the profit to find the A share in the profit. Now let's talk about the compound partnership. Here the period of investment is different by different partners, and just take an example. So we have a profit of 450 is to be divided between two partners. One, A, who has invested 1200 rupees for 5 months, and another guy B, who has invested 750 rupees for 4 months. Now we can simply see the capital invested is different. That's okay, it goes with the simple partnership as well, but the period of investment is also different. Here it is for 4 months, and with A it is 5 months. So this is compound partnership. And how do we find the share of profit in compound partnership? Now we are here to find what is the equivalent equivalent investment. Now if this guy A who has invested 1200 rupees for 5 months, he actually invested 6000 rupees in total, and B who has invested 750 rupees for 4 months, he has invested 3000 rupees. Now we will not consider the period of time for which the investment was done by different partners, because we got the equivalent values. So whenever we get a problem of compound partnership, we simply find the equivalent investment by simply multiplying the capital for 1 month or for 1 year by the given number of years or months. Now A's share in profit would be his investment by total investment, which is 9,000 rupees. 6 plus 3 is 9,000 rupees into total profit, which is 300 rupees, and B's share would be his investment upon total investment into total profit, which is 150 rupees. So formula for compound partnership to find the share in profit would be A's share by, oh sorry, this should be A's equivalent investment by total investment or total equivalent investment into total profit. And for B, we will simply replace the equivalent investment of A by B. Thanks for watching this video.